Finally got warm in New York, so here she is. Yeah, so that's the radiator relocated kit. That's my handmade snorkel. Cut back the headlight, painted it, deleted it because I got the light bar up there. Okay, so Polaris 450. Basically, I wanted to keep the box. I didn't want to drill anything in the box. So I'm able to open my box now because I went through here and through there. Now this piece comes down underneath here. If you go under here, those are the ports that are for the snorkel kit. They have to run back to the engine. I haven't done that yet, but that's just a matter of tubing hoses. This is all handmade, one piece air box. Nothing's really touching here. Maybe that little wire, but got clearance. I had to cut here and here to make it higher so I can make these turns up and in until here and here, and re-weld it. I have to re-weld back here too, but probably cut it. That's it. The headlight was deleted because now I have the light bar. Polaris 450, fun stuff.